Alright guys, welcome to this video. So if you have been farming the billion network airdrop with us, this is what you need to do right now. Do it immediately after watching this video. Alright, so this airdrop, we have been farming it for quite a while now, and trust me, this is the time that you need to make sure that you have put everything in place, because the TGE is already knocking our door. But currently we are required to actually verify ourselves and actually prove that we are humans. Alright, so this is a very good one, and this is an airdrop that a lot of people are anticipating to cash out massively from, though nobody really knows what's gonna happen, how much they are gonna pay or whatever. But we keep on anticipating and we are actually hoping for the best. But whichever way that it goes, we are ready for it. All right, so a lot of people are saying that airdrop are dead, but I'm here to clarify to you that airdrop are not dead. You just need to keep on pushing so that you don't get to miss out on the next big one. All right, so without talking about, guys, let's now kickstart it right now. So over here, guys, on the billion network X account, they have been lamenting every single day that you should go ahead and prove that you are a human, that you should download the app, prove you are a human, and earn points and power points on your billion network. So everything is very simple, and I'm going to be going straight into it right now. So before we start properly, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I welcome you. On this channel, I talk all about crypto airdrop, what you need to do, and I keep you updated until the end of whichever airdrop project that we are talking about. So right now, let's continue right now. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to head over to your Play Store and download this app called Billions. All right, so you need to go ahead and download this app. This is the app that you are going to need to be able to do your KYC verification on the billion network, right? Okay, so right now, guys, you go ahead and download it. You can see I've already downloaded it, so I will click on open right now. So once you click on open, you are first going to be prompted to log into your account. You simply need to use the same credentials that you use to create your account right here on the website. You need to use the same email to log into the mobile app so that you can do everything very easily. So first thing, what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and verify that you are a human, and also verify your human credential right here. So over here, guys, you can see over here I've already verified this one right here. I actually did the verification last month, and of course this is all that we need to do right here. So just go ahead and verify this one, but I'm going to be talking about this one because it's the most important. So right now, guys, you need to come over here and click on claim right here. Once you click on claim, then you are going to prompt them to enter your credentials, and of course right here you select your country. But before you go ahead and open the camera and then verify it, you need to make sure that you have what we call NFT ID. You can check the screen right now to see the kind of ID that I just posted right now on your screen. That is the kind of ID that you need before you can be able to process this verification. All right, so because they are requiring this type of ID, it kind of gives me hope that this is going to be a very good one, but nobody really knows. So you need to have that kind of ID before you can be able to process with this verification. But a lot of us do not have that ID. That is where the problem is. But if you are the type of person that doesn't have the ID, what you need to do is simply hold on, because they are going to be providing more verification options for you. What you need to do from now is simply go ahead and verify this one first, so that you can be on a safer side, so that immediately they roll out the next type of verification, then you can then apply for it or on your own, so that you can get your account successfully verified. So right now, this is what you need to know right now. But in case you do not have that ID, like I said earlier, just do not panic. Just make sure that you are with us right here through this channel, because once it goes live, we are going to be updating you immediately. So right now, this is what you require, and this is all you need to know concerning this billion network KYC verification. All right, so when you come over here to verify, you can see that you are going to be taken back to your initial account. That is your website version of accounts. So you are going to be taken right there where you're going to be seeing your total points and of course everything. All right, so remember to always come over here and check in daily, and of course once you are done proving that you are human, you need to come over here and click on verify, so that you verify that you have actually completed your verification and all that, and you are going to be getting a reward for that. So right now, this is all you need to know right now. Remember, the TGE is coming very soon. Do not fade. Follow this process and get your account verified today. Thank you, and I will talk to you on the next video that I will be posting very soon. Do have a lovely day.